Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to make coolant, right? Okay, so we're over at the water station here, and we use cold water. Okay, so you have the little blue, okay? There's a red one here, that's for hot water. Okay, so we want to use the cold water. Okay, and I've already got a bucket that I filled up, and it's about halfway full. Okay, if you can see that, it's about halfway. And now I'm going to show you how to add the coolant oil to it. It's called Coolant 795, and I'm going to mix some of that with it to make the coolant. Okay, so I'm over at the Coolant 795, right? You see the big orange barrel. It's over near the fireproof cabinet, and it has this pump on it. And if you look at this pump, okay, it has an arrow on here, okay, and it shows the arrow going in that direction. And that means that you should spin the handle in the same direction as the arrow in order to pump the stuff out so that it comes out the spout, okay? And we have to know how much we're going to use when we make coolant, okay? So it all depends how much you're going to make. If you make a full bucket of coolant, then you want to look at the measurements right here. If you make a full 5-gallon bucket filled with water, then you want to put 20 ounces, okay? And you want to make sure that this is ounces, right? See the OZ, that means ounces. And you want to put 20 ounces inside of a 5-gallon pail of water, okay? So if you're going to make only half of a pail of water, like I did here, you're only going to put 10 ounces, right, which would be the line right there. It doesn't have the number 10, but obviously 10 is halfway between 8 and 12, okay? Okay, so now I filled the cup, okay, and I put the oil in, and it's about 10 ounces. So now I'm going to add this to the bucket of water. Okay, so I'm getting ready to add the oil to the bucket of water. Now, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I can't really do it the way it should, but the way that you should do this is you should add the oil, okay, and you should be stirring at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop adding this, and I'm going to stir it. Okay, we got this little aluminum piece there that we use as a stirrer, okay, and I got the water stirring, and I'm going to add the rest of it. Okay, so I got all that in there, and I'm going to stir it some more. Okay, and you can see it makes like a nice white milky substance. Okay, and that's what we use for our coolant in our machines, and that's how you mix it. So remember, a full 5-gallon pail takes 20 ounces of oil, and half a pail takes 10. Okay, so I hope that this explains how to make coolant, and if you have any questions, see any of the instructors in the shop. Be happy to help you with this, and we'll see you out in the shop.